And yes, we have turkeys.
Is the car open?
Yes, but I'm trying to tape the turkeys right now.
So I'm gonna put this
And you're going to
the
scare
car.
the turkeys. And
They walk right up to me, so it's no big deal. You could probably walk right over to them and they don't care.
I could walk over there?
Possibility. Stop taking my picture. Hi, birdie bird!
Oh my God.
Birdie bird! Turkey bird! Hi, birdie bird! Hi, birdie bird! His face is turning turquoise blue.
Oh my God.
Birdie bird! Yeah!
Look at this.
Birdie bird! Birdie bird! Turkey bird! Sing it!
Are those all turkeys or some pheasants?
They're all turkeys.
Can you talk again?
Birdie bird! Birdie bird!
Alright, I'm going to go close to him. Okay? See what happens, okay?
Be careful.
Oh yeah, thanks.
Be very careful.
Oh,
Don't slip.
well, why don't you tape record me talking to the duck? I mean turkey.
You want me to use your machine?
Yeah, just keep an eye on the turkey. It's recording now. You got the turkey in there?
Yeah.
Alright, now let me go over there.
Hi, turkey. Come to mama.
I don't think you should put your finger out.
Come to mama. This is not a turkey. This is a different turkey.
That's a female.
Come here, Tommy. Come here. Why is his face blue?
Because he's a male.
Can you look at his face? Gobble, 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 gobble.
Turkey bird! Turkey bird!
Gobble, 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 gobble. Hey, birdie.
Hi, birdie bird!
Let me get some more food for you.
Turkey bird!
There's no, that's the snowball. Alright, never mind. Well, let's go get, I'm gonna go get, did you press stop?
I don't know how to work it. What do I press? Power?
No, the other one.
This one?
Yeah. What are you doing? Do you like the picture of yourself? Just don't, like, nip at my car. Like, don't nip. It's a pretty car, right? You just want to see yourself in the mirror. But not nip. You're the guy that I saw. Watch the nipping. Birdie bird. Birdie bird. He talks to me too. Birdie bird. You like Mama's car? Just don't peck at it. Who's that boy? Who's the boy? Alright, watch. Cock-a-doodle-doo? Waka waka waka! Are you okay? You're very pretty. You are a very pretty turkey. I'm just going to walk this way because there's no snow on the trail, on the driveway.